Rachel.
And I'm Ryan. And
Today we will be showing you how to make glue
out of milk. It does not have to be 2% milk. This is just the milk that we had in our refrigerator.
Most of this stuff you can find in your home or pretty much anywhere.
Most of you have vinegar. You have to use white vinegar, and you can also substitute it for lime juice. Lastly, we have baking soda. Everybody has baking soda, and if you don't, then go buy it.
Now the things you're going to need to make this is the cup to mix everything in, the fork,
or any stirring utensil.
We also have
Chopsticks or skewer sticks,
whatever you want to call them. These thingies here. For later on in the video, you will also need to use a strainer. It doesn't matter, big strainer, little strainer. This is some type of popcorn strainer thingy.
And also napkins.
And napkins. The most you'll probably need is 2.
Maybe 3, but
maybe
probably
3,
not.
but probably 2. Now, the most important thing in this is there is no measurements.
Yes, there are no measurements. You just think of anything at the top of your head, and you're done. But, so, the first step in this procedure is you're going to take your milk, and you're going to pour it into your cup.
Now, you are going to... We already made this, so we will just be showing you
Yes.
the actual...
So, then after, you will put it in the microwave, for up to 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds. We put it in for 30. And you have to make sure that it's warm. It can't be hot or cold. It has to be warm on all measures.
Make sure that if you don't like tasting warm milk, I do.
She's the milk drinker in the family.
Yes, I know. That you stir it around, and you can also smell heat.
So then, after you take it out of the microwave, you're gonna put just a tiny bit, maybe only like a half a teaspoon or a quarter of a teaspoon of vinegar, probably half.
You're going to slowly stir it, and you will add vinegar throughout the whole thing while you're stirring it, and you will notice that it starts to become clumpy. And on the top of the milk, it will be kind of clear. That's normal.
It's going to be like a skim line, or a slim line of like chunks. And then if you have like a clear plastic container, then you'll be able to see that it's just all water at the bottom and it's chunks on top. So after you're done mixing and you see that little slim line of chunks, you're going to put it back in the microwave for 10 seconds. So when you take it out of the microwave, you're going to stir it constantly.
After that, what you will do is after you see more and more chunks, you will take 2 napkins.
Or 3.
Or 3, how many ever you would like to use.
It depends on how much you make.
Yeah. So we will put them on top of each other and put them in the strainer, just like that. Now what we will do is we will take all of the liquid and all of the mixture that's in here and pour it in. Now a lot of times this mixture will still be in the napkins. That's why you use several. What you're going to do is you're going to kind of bunch it up to where it's like that. And you're going to kind of
Squeeze it.
Smush it at the bottom and like squeeze it.
If you don't like touching this, you can also use like just gloves, or you can put something over your hand so that you're not touching it, like a towel.
Now, mind you, it shouldn't be that gross because
it's just
as
milk,
you can say,
vinegar, and baking
it's
soda,
everything that you can eat.
Milk and vinegar.
It's everything you can eat, so it really doesn't matter. Now afterwards, it's gonna be chunky and clumpy, and you are to keep the clumps. Don't keep the juice, keep the clumps.
You don't want the juice, so just get rid of it.
It's okay if you have a little bit, but not much. So after you strain it, you will pour it back into your cup. Now,
Or bowl.
You will take your baking soda. you will take your baking soda and put it in your hand little by little. Now you will slowly turn it in here and you will see it like bubbling.
And it's okay that it bubbles. You want it to bubble because of the chemical reaction between the vinegar and the baking soda.
Now you will just stir it and stir it and stir it.
And it will look clumpy and thick, not super thin like regular Elmer's glue.
Now ours looks like that. It's very clumpy and it's pretty gross. So you will just slowly stir it. So
Stir it.
let me rip off.
Oh, just
Paper.
reminding you, if you seem kind of tired and our grammar is improper, it is 12:14 at night. Or in the morning, I should say.
Okay, now I ripped paper. Now you will take the glue substance and you will smear it on the paper. Now we made ours a little while ago, and after you have it and made, you should keep it in the fridge.
Because since it's milk, it still
Yes.
can go bad outside of the fridge. So after you put your glue substance on, then
After
you're
you
going
put
to
it
put
on.
paper over and let it sit.